last 5 years, our team has grown substantially. We've gone from really one lab that was focusing on brain tumor research to now having 5 independent investigators here at Children's that are all doing brain tumor related work. The clinical program has also grown substantially, thanks in large part to our ability to get intraoperative MRI, which enables us to safely remove as much of the tumor as we can. We're able to work in the OR and then immediately take the patient or the child to the MRI, which is adjacent to the OR, see if we've gotten all the tumor out, and if not, we can go back in the same operation and do more. We have investigators that are focused on immunotherapy, which is an exciting new area of research in brain tumors. We are working on strategies for counteracting resistance of tumors to various medicines. Also within the last 5 years, we've gotten increasing information about the diversity of tumor subtypes within broad groups of tumors. Through work that we've participated in, it's clear that there now are different prognostic groups, and so kids with these tumors need to be treated differently, and that's something that's really evolved in the last 5 years. The teams here are very collaborative. Our labs are close together, so we have members of the group that have different areas of expertise. All I have to do is walk down the hall or pick up the phone and I can talk to a world expert in something. And having that ability keeps my research at the cutting edge. And in areas where I think I need more input, I'm able to get it from somebody who's right next door in the lab. Ellie had a very special role in our trial because she was the first person on our vaccine trial that had a clear-cut response, but it was very complicated. Initially, after she had finished radiation and begun the vaccine trial, she developed enlargement of her tumor, which in almost any other circumstance would have been due to tumor progression. She was placed on corticosteroids, and miraculously, she had an MRI several weeks after starting the steroids that showed a dramatic shrinkage of her tumor, something that I had never seen before. It's clear that it's not going to be a cure. It's going to need to be a component of therapy, and it's something that we need to build on. I'm not sure we would have had as strong an impetus to keep going had we not seen that dramatic positive result in her case. It sort of gave us an inspiration to keep working on this.
So I study the pediatric bone tumor Ewing sarcoma. So it's a cancer that's most common in adolescents. And my research focuses on figuring out the way that those tumors respond to DNA damage and how the immune system interacts differently with those tumors after DNA damage has occurred. We find exciting pathways in the lab. I'm constantly trying to enroll patients that are willing to donate parts of their tumors so we can look at those pathways in tumors. And then I work a lot with the Children's Oncology Group. So nationally, I'm on the bone tumor committee for Ewing sarcoma. And so I'm there giving biology opinions and helping to form next clinical trials. We are one of the top children's hospitals in the country, and our division is one of the top pediatric hematology oncology divisions. And I'm actually the first person in our division to receive a KO8 award. So I feel like we've always been amazing, but in the research realm, this is just an extra little fire that started to burn. So I think we have a lot of great research momentum. Philanthropic funding can really impact the health and the healthcare of children. It starts in the lab, so we use philanthropic funding to get those early, exciting experiments off the ground and launched. Using state-of-the-art techniques is expensive, and so when we have that support, we're able to do those experiments in a more timely manner.
I think philanthropy can have enormous benefits. The field keeps changing. We gain more and more insights into what it is that make these tumors tick. And the more we know about them, the more different options we have to pursue. One of these days, we're going to win the battle. We're not there yet.